So that's one tree down, and then I've gone right around the perimeter of the whole property and cleared all the bushes and shrubs and ivy and branches and God knows what else down there. Literally, you can see utter carnage with a chainsaw all the way down to the front. You can see that down there. Just about to see the front. All the way down there. What a day, blowing out of my arse. That's the trouble when you got sarcoidosis. Get lots of phlegm, excuse me. I mean, it's a nice windy day, so I've been breathing really well today. But yeah, if I didn't have the steroids, I don't think I could do what I'm doing. Simple as that. I'd be absolutely shattered. But hey, I'll do a physical job. I've got sarcoidosis of the lungs, and I'm a fighter and I carry on. And I think if you've got that mentality, you have a great diet, you know, you'll fight through it, 100%. I mean, you're grateful you're alive and you're healthy. And if you can take from this video, then great. Hope you have a great weekend. I've got my kids tomorrow. I can't wait to see my kids. It's going to be great fun. Hope you have a good weekend. Lots of love. Remember, the slower you go, faster you go.